So it's my duty as a coach to remind you about the way you are adopting certain principles in life. And one of the most important principle is either picking up the momentum or slowing down. For some people, after all the hard work, when they feel that their life is really stable, then obviously they need to slow down. But what about the people who still feel they have not caught hold of all the elements of the life? Obviously, for them, the momentum or the speed becomes the currency of life. So, if you are supposed to slow down, then it is a different story. But if you are supposed to gear up to gather all your energies and the thought process to be in that momentum, either to thrive or even either to survive or rise or soar or create or celebrate, definitely there are so many parameters to be taken care of. So do think of your phase at this moment in life, or your important people, your spouse or your children, and think, is it a time for them to slow down, or is it a time for them to accelerate and be in that momentum?